Hi there, this is the STIHL Kombi range. We have a full range of Combi Engines and Combi tools. So to start off with, you have the KM56. This is the starting point. Easy to start Combi engine with the primer bubble and two-stroke engine, and the pull start here. So this Combi tool with the loop handle can then fit all of these machines here. So all the Combi tools fit every engine. So this is the pole pruner. So you can go up to 12-inch chain on the pole pruner, and it just connects into the engine. So you have the pole pruner here. You also have a curved strimmer. You get a straight strimmer head. There's two different variants of lawn edgers. You've got a straight shafted lawn edger and there's a curved lawn edger. This is one of the most popular attachments. This is the HL145. So this hedge trimmer attachment rotates 145 degrees round. So you just move it here and it will move round and cut your hedge for you. So this again, this attachment goes into every different machine that you have. You get the hedge trimmer attachment, and then you also get a shrub cutter, which is a shorter bladed machine as well. There are also other attachments. There's this, which is a rotavator. There's a blower. You get extension poles to put on them, and also you get brushes. There are various other attachments for the Combi tool, which you can check out on the website, Fraser C Robb.co.uk. So the Combi Engines, as I've shown you already, the KM56, which is the starting range, then you move up in engine power, so you go up to the KM94R, which loop handled, KM111, which comes R, loop handled, and also it comes with the cow handle, and then for the professional users, the KM131, loop and cow handled.